Hi, welcome back to Hometown Food Cooking episode. Today, we are going to enjoy the world of homemade crispy wontons with me, where every bite is symphony of crunch and flavor. In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps to achieve golden, crispy perfection right in your own kitchen. From folding technique to frying tips, I will cover it all. But wait, there's more. Stick around till the end of the special treat. I will share a sneak peek of other tantalizing dumpling recipe waiting for you to explore in the next coming episode. Don't miss out on the crispy goodness. Hit the play button now and let's get cooking.
First, let's preparing the filling. In a large mixing bowl of food processor, combine the stream. It's around 125 gram streams that I'm using 5 large streams. You can use a food processor to mince it, just like what I do, or just chop it on the chopping board. Once it's minced, now let's add on around 500 gram ground pork. Close the lid of the food processor and let it do its magic. Use a spoon lightly mix it and see any big chunk. Next ingredient is the half of bowl of chopped spring onion. You can adjust the quantity accordingly. 4 cloves of minced garlic. Lightly mix. Now let's start seasoning. First, half a tablespoon oyster sauce, half of tablespoon of soy sauce, few drops of fish sauce, few pinch of fine spice powder, and it's optional if you do not like the taste. Lightly mix together. Now the next ingredient is my favorite, sesame oil. I'm using around 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil. And my favorite last 2 ingredients are 1 tablespoon Shaoxing Chinese wine. And last ingredient of the seasoning is this 1 teaspoon of Japanese mirin. Do the final mix together. Put the filling aside and let's get our workbench sorted. Now let's open our wonton skin and we can start to wrap the wonton. I bought this ready-made wonton skin from Asian store. It's so convenient. Now before we start wrapping our wonton, let's prepare our edible glue. What is edible glue? It's quite simple. Use a few teaspoons of cornstarch or any wheat starch and mix it with some warm water. That's the consistency that we're looking at. Now let's wrap the wonton. Take a wonton wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the filling mixture in the middle of the wonton skin. I like to use a teaspoon because it's so easy to measure how much meat that I would like to make my wontons. Now, wet the edges of the wonton wrapper with edible glue. Then, fold it over diagonally to form a triangle. Press the edges firmly to seal. Bring the 2 bottom corners of the triangle together and press to seal, forming a traditional wonton shape like a money bag. Repeat with the remaining filling and wonton wrappers. Let me show you again. Place about 1 teaspoon of the filling mixture in the center. Wet the edges of the wonton wrapper with edible glue. Then fold it over diagonally to form a triangle. Press the edges firmly to seal and there you go. Practice make perfect. And you can be a professional chef like wrapping wonton so immediately after a few practices. Believe me. In my experience, this is the easiest ever for beginner to learn how to wrap wonton without leaving or get the fillings tightly sealed inside the wonton wrapper when you cook. This is really important. The other method you can do is place a filling in the center of the wrapper, gather the edges together and twist to seal. This is why normally the hawker center do that quite quickly. For other more intricate design, try folding the wonton wrapper into a flower shape. Start by folding the corners towards the center, then fold the edges to create a petal-like shape. If you are feeling adventurous, you can even try making wonton cups by pressing the wrapper into a muffin tin before frying. This will create a crispy, bite-sized treat that's perfect for dipping. Give it a try, you'll be surprised. Let me show you a closer look for the very last time how to wrap the wonton. Place 1 teaspoon of filling mixture in the center. Wet the edges of the wonton wrapper with edible glue, then fold it over to form a triangle shapes. Press the edges firmly to seal, and there you go. This is a wonton. Let's go to the cooking station. Heat oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the wonton in batches. Make sure not to overcook the pan and fry the wonton until golden brown. There you have it, delicious Malaysian pork and shrimp wontons. These wontons are packed with flavor and are sure to be hit with your family and friends. So, grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Yummy. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Please click on the link below or at the screen to see my next delicious recipes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. See you in the next video.